TalkUp, TV1, every day. You see these girls, we sing them a song and then we DJ for the big bad man. You see your girl? Girl, you are the one. Your body nice, girl, you are the one. Come bubble for the dan, Your body nice, your body... Say yo, I'll tell you something, you forget rich. Like you want the factory, you forget rich. Like them money, you have your own boss, pull your own glass, you are your own dan. You bang buffetic like Italy, wait, old Kogan.
Alright. Now we're there for a little interview I have to teach with them the question if X come back to you and say, yo, one thing to work, you know, what you would do? Alright, you know, so we're there with Aqua. I know, say TalkUp, brand new YouTube channel with there, Rocket, you see me? Yeah, man. Alright, Miss Aqua, for X, left you long for one next girl. Not just a girl.
Girl.
For one next girl, you understand? I'll come back, I beg a second chance. Will you give him a second chance?
Yeah, at a price.
If you have money, we might take him back and take out some money.
Money alone, pa.
And the money alone?
This time if you not eat it something, you must feel eat it now.
Let me get this straight now. At a price, and the prices are, you come with the bricks. And you have to start it.
Come back.
Hell no.
So get it. Just like you have to start it. You have to cook.
Every day of the week, food non-stop for around here. Shop up 24/7, ready.
Night I come down now, but we still there. You see me?
Come back to me, where you are gonna do? Say with you, me can't rely on you. Where you are gonna do? No. Can't come back to me and now. Me need a beg you to stay down, but see they no table turn by you. Things elevate, I'm living great. Bricks everywhere, step and plate.
Max tonight, body for the sickest people in the West, you see me? Yeah. The question I'm going to ask the general right now. If the ex come back after she left you for your next man, would you take her back? You're mad!
Bugger money.
No! Soapy. Alright, your question is soapy. If your ex come back to you after she left you for your man, would you get back to that? Leave them the general. Think good. Alright, so the question I'm asking, if the ex come back, would you give her a second chance?
No, sir.
She get too much.
Get too much?
Yeah, so I lost chance. So you know what's
Hey, what man say? Man said you get too much. Soup is up and go I love soup. Hey, go I love it. So you don't believe in a second chance then?
Depends, you know, depends too.
Depends.
Yeah. If I'm my father.
Boy, you look away, you know. But there is General Nicholas, isn't it? I'm the best phone store in the park, isn't it? You can have your phone screen shop, programming, anything unlocked. Right, yes, I'm with
One link and a Dumpling.
See me, I say, alright, my General. Oh man, left, you know, the next man. I'll come back if you want to learn. You will take her back, yes or no?
I see 413 that one. They tell me on with a Scarched. Terms and conditions I take back.
No, if my woman left me, I'm not there back with that. No.
Well, I'll consider about it. Consider about that.
You see, two girls love her at first, you travel some man week to her. Probably, yeah, we say, alright, let me give her a second chance. Well, me think she will left again, so we not take her back.
Back with riches. Must be the riches you go for. So I'll consider.
Money.
Yeah.
Every man want money, you know, and if she really come up with money, that means she look like she decide and say, alright, it's some money and so much to move on. Well, could I try again to her, go on.
Alright, we're asking this question. If the ex come back to you after he left you for somebody else, would you take him back?
Well, you didn't say if you left it to somebody else. If you leave me for somebody else, why should I take him back? Because probably we do the same thing again with somebody else with the same way.
So yeah, says, you do it once, then we do it twice.
We feel same we do it again. Yes.
Alright, we're there with the big man, the generator, so you see me? Alright, question we ever asked today, if the wife left you, the next man, and come back, she's sorry, she make a big mistake, and she would have loved you to take her back. Would you consider that take her back? Tough. Why I say tough?
Yeah, and the reason why it's a tough one.
Yeah.
Because she left already, I think she'll left again.
Oh, so why I try to say she did it once, so there's a possibility we should do it again.
No, the problem, if she leave, that means there must have been some issues.
Oh.
So, if the issues not clear up, then she'll leave again.
Alright, yeah, we're moving now. Watch out. We're moving. The husband left. Your next one. I'll come back to you. Say sorry and everything. You never meant to hurt and all of them things. Would you take him back? No. A long time we were there. So you say, you didn't stay with me, you never do no for wine, but alright. I understand. I have enough respect for your opinion. Good day, sir. Alright, we're asking a question today. If your ex come back to you and left you for your next man, would you give her the chance?
It depends, you know, because, you know, every man needs a chance, so everyone needs a chance.
It depends.
It depends. For what?
For what?
Yeah. And sometimes you're wrong, you know, because you can't go with the next man.
Alright, you hear the part where you say sometimes that you're wrong. So if you wrong, you would have want a chance.
Yeah,
that's
because I can't do it. The problem, you know. And you do certain things and then you go deal with a girl and then when you don't know, she try to spite you too. I'm going to deal with a girl and so on. So it depends on the way where...
Depends on how you...
Yeah, how it happens.
If your ex come back after she left you for your next man, would you give her a second chance?
That's the game, but you must take him back.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you say. Explain a little more to me. Would that give her a chance or no? Or...
Yeah, if in this, you see where you're not taking back, I just you're not taking back. But
so if in this you don't want to smooth way, then you give her a chance?
Come back.
Alright. We are there with the general, alright. So if your woman leaves you for no reason, you don't know why she leaves, you just take up her things and gone. And you leave her rough it out by yourself and thing and then suddenly she turn up on your door and say, yo, I beg you a chance or a second chance. Would you take her back?
No, it's not like
I just depend on how you feel.
You pull to your heart, but you want to take him back. Nobody can tell you nothing.
Alright. I want to sound good, you know. I want to sound good. Yeah, man, say. Oh. You feel inside. If you love still there or something. Not so. So it depends on how you feel. You might give her a next chance. Yeah, man, I fix TV, everything when you know electronics, isn't it?
Yes, but artist.
Watch it now.
You're not coming.
Question I ask right now. If your woman left you for your next man and come back, but she wants a second chance, would I give her it?
No, I'm not dealing with second.
If your woman left for your next man and come back and beg, would you give her a next chance?
It was in a real life. Depends. Isn't it? Yeah, some girl who then left and then do some little cruel things, you know? Some little cruel incident.
Yeah.
The incident they kind of get the woman stir up some way, you understand? You can't do but then girl no chance because once they do it for a man, they're going to do it in the evening again. You see badness.
So once, she do it once.
You're going to be doing it twice.
You're going to do it twice.
So I'm not going to do it more.
Nah, give her a chance.
Let you go.
Let you go.
Because it will cause problem.
Cause problem. Okay. I understand.
I'm not going to take her back and go back to her. Because next time she could be killed.
But some of them I know, they don't know set. Some little circumstance when they have to show you. I don't know because the thing really set certain way. Then one day I have to pray for them.
Pick up the right. So we say in a certain way. You mean like probably anybody on the cheese or something.
And then really, you know, some man I want them they have to spend up much money. And then come to you and just be clean hearted and good because they rate you see it. And then left with a good upshot scene where you make it know a real vibe. You see it. And girl, you have to care for them and know say you have to look out for them. See, you see, because they look out for you for a man when they never do this. So they come good at able, you have to look out for them. You see badness. That works and you see pro.
It does depend on the
situation and the circumstance. You see badness.
Rest enough.
Alright, so over there now with that fella.
That's
beautiful and nice place, isn't it? Alright, watch out now. Question we ask today, if your ex left you want next girl, I not style the girl, but you want next girl. You want style her.
Ex are my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. Well, as someone will left you.
A man.
Yeah, any man. Left you. I want to come back to you. And I beg a second chance.
Well, the next best
they take him back.
Yeah, but I take him back and use him.
Take him back and use him?
Yeah. Since he want me back.
Since he want you back?
Since he want back, me I take him and use him. I best time to try to get some things from him I never get.
Watch out now. To the question you ask her now. If your ex come back after she done with your next man.
Dark, yes sir. Good.
Will you take her back?
No. She is doing the one time, he will do it again.
Alright,
everybody say that.
Man, she do one time, she will do it again.
Episode 1, TalkUp TV. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Anything you want us to talk about, TalkUp TV. Out.
Things elevate, I'm living great.